Hi, in this video I will show you how you can enrich a person's information from outside of their LinkedIn, like in Google search, podcast appearances, all the other stuff into your email generation workflow. So by default, as you can see, the personalized sales email template is taking into account a rich collection of LinkedIn data. So it has all of their about sections, all of this stuff, the work experiences, educational experiences, languages, company, location, all that kind of stuff, good stuff, right? But it's not currently taking into account like a Google search, right? So if you want to add additional details, right, you can just create a new column, right? So you can either, so let's see. Here we are going to create a new column. I'm going to double click and rename this as Google search. Okay, and then we'll select Google search. Here, let's search this person. So in order to search this person, I realize that I need their name and probably the company they work for. Right, to do that, I have their first name, last name, full name. Okay, so I will use this full name column. Here, when I hover, I see two column. I will turn this into a column so that we can refer that field in our Google search integration. Next, we also probably need the company name. Right, so where can we get the company? All right, there's a company field. All right. That seems to be company name. Okay. This is company name. Okay. So now we can do it. So I'm right clicking here on the column, insert the column to the right. And there are two ways to do this. One is you can use our online agent to research the person and return information, or you can first do a raw Google search and then feed that data into offline AI to summarize it. So in this page, let's just use the online AI to automatically do that. Right. This is personal research, let's call it. And here we can say, let's refer to the full name at company name. So this prompt here is what we tell AI. We can say find recent news podcast appearances of and summarize the content and keywords and key ideas behind each. If no relevant info is found, I'll put NA. Okay, now let's save it. When you save it, it will automatically run. Notice this will give you more details about the person that you can use in your personalization. And here, once you have the result, well, here is NA. So if it's NA, there's no worries. Sometimes you'll get something good about this person. Sometimes you won't. In this case, you can look at the reasoning. After Google News and Google Search, no relevant appearances were found. But if you were to do this on LinkedIn of someone famous, let's say Bill Gates. All right, let's try this on Bill Gates. Okay, you see a rich collection of recent news. He's appeared in What Now with Trevor Noah to discuss philanthropy and technology. Okay, so now the last step is how can you pass this information to the email generation step? Well, here is the prompt when you click to edit it, right? So you say, beside these rich data points we are already providing the AI, you can say recent news about this person, this prospect, and then we will type, I'm just typing at, allowing me to reference this personal search field. Make sure to mention the above information as a PS to bring closer the relationship and drive a reply. Okay. And now let's rerun this step and see what happens. Loved your recent podcast with Sam Altman. Unconfuse me with Bill Gates. That's interesting. Oh, cool. It seems like to be right there. All right, there you have it. That's how you can enrich content with further information about them from Google search and online AI into your workflow. Hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Cheers.